ERPNext versus Odoo versus Dolibarr versus SAP. Which one is honestly better? Some key features for ERPNext is open source and customizable, ideal for small to mid-sized businesses, covers accounting, HR, sales, inventory, and more, and it's free with premium hosting options. Odoo is highly modular with apps for virtually every business function. It's open source with paid options, and is best for growing businesses needing flexibility. It also has user-friendly interface, but can get expensive as you add apps. So Dolibarr is simple and open source, best for small businesses with basic needs. It includes CRM, ERP, HR, and invoicing tools. It's easy to set up and it has a low cost. SAP has enterprise grade. ERP used by large corporations. Offers advanced functionality for complex business needs. It's expensive, requires a professional implementation team, and it's scalable but may be overkill for small to mid-sized businesses. Some pros for each of these softwares is ERPNext. It's free, open source, and easy to customize. Odoo is highly modular and great for flexibility. Dolibarr is affordable, easy to set up, and good for small businesses. SAP is powerful and enterprise ready, great for large companies. But some cons is for ERPNext is that it may require some more technical knowledge. For Odoo, pricing can become expensive as you scale. Dolibarr has limited features for large businesses, and SAP is very expensive and complex to implement. So which is better? Choose ERPNext if you need a customizable, cost-effective solution for small to medium businesses. Choose Odoo if you want a flexible, modular system for growing businesses with various needs. Choose Dolibarr if you run a small business and need a simple, affordable ERP, but choose SAP if you're a large enterprise requiring advanced ER capabilities and can afford the investment. If this helped you, subscribe.